Hello from the coldest part of our logistics solutions, designed to meet the requirements for the cold supply chain. Next to me is the VIXELL box, a vacuum-insulated cooling box. But what is it all about?
VIXELL is a cold storage transportation solution revolutionizing the transportation of biopharmaceuticals and vaccines that require strict temperature controls. It is adaptable to various temperature zones from -75° to +25°C and can be connected to IoT devices, which can monitor the internal conditions remotely, making it an efficient, reliable, and sustainable solution for these industries. VIXELL's thermal insulation layer, the most important part of a cooling box, utilizes Panasonic's patented vacuum-insulated case design, a seamless, integrally molded body with no joints. VIXELL's VIC is equipped with a wireless vacuum sensor unit that uses contactless power supply technology, so its thermal insulation performance can be easily checked before a journey. Simply place the box on a dedicated inspection board. Thanks to the unique design, the box can be reused for years and thus complies with the new European law on reusable packaging.
Great invention, great solution. I hope you've liked our deep dive into the logistics area. The solutions you've seen in our corner are just example solutions. As a solution provider, we are more than happy to develop individual solutions based on your business case. Let's move on to the point of sale in the next videos. See you!